have tested him throughout the course of time. So many still reach out to him with broken hearts and minds, and every one of them will say, with no exception, that they find that Jesus never fails. Even in the days that God, He brought His people food, and then He came and showed His love and died for me and you, and He rose again to prove that every story had been true, that Jesus never fails. Sometimes this world brings trouble. I find it hard to bear. I know I would not make it without Jesus being there. It's so encouraging to know, however deep we're in these times, that Jesus never fails. So what can I do to prove to you? Tell me, how can you deny? No untold facts, no mysteries. It's all so kind of tried. On the weakest end of your life, I'll be the first to testify that Jesus never fails. Jesus Sometimes the world brings trouble. I find it hard to bear. I know
Ating itaas ang ating mga kamay,
I would
minamahal.
not make it without Jesus.
Let us worship the Lord.
being
Hallelujah.
there.
From the bottom of
It's
our
so
heart.
encouraging to know, however
Kailangan natin
deep
makipag-usap sa ating Diyos sa buhay.
times, that
tayo
Jesus
makaramdam ng kanyang napakatamis na presensya.
never fails.
Hallelujah, hallelujah.
So what can I do to prove to you? Tell me, how can you deny? No untold facts, no mysteries. It's all so kind of tried. On the weakest end of your life, I'll be the first to testify that Jesus never fails.
Hallelujah,
I
hallelujah,
know
hallelujah.
Jesus. Jesus never
Ikaw ang Panginoon.
Jesus never fails. He might not
Kailangan ka namin,
you
Panginoon.
cannot prevail because
Pinasabi ng Espiritu ng Espiritu. Ulaw ng Espiritu at sa ginaw.
Jesus
Jesus, di ba? Hallelujah, hallelujah.
fails. Jesus never fails. You might as well say you cannot prevail because Jesus never fails. Because Jesus never fails. Because Jesus